Imagine this, your video edits itself. What if instead of manually trimming your video again and again, CapCut AI automatic editing feature does it all for you? Sounds crazy, right? Well, in today's video, I will show you how just by one click, CapCut AI will do all the editing for you without any efforts. So stick around with me and make sure to watch this video till the end. I will also show you how while editing the video, you can still do live recording by modifying the script. Exciting, right? So let's get started. Open the CapCut and I have already one video imported. So either you can just drag the video to the timeline or click on the plus icon. So guys, there are a lot of options as you can see on the top here, and the one that will do video editing for you and save you a lot of time. So instead of playing the video again and again and manually trimming or editing the video and see the correct part, it's deleted or not. Let's get started. One feature that will save your time for video editing and that will do all the video editing for you is if you will just mouse over here, you will see the icon this transcript. So just click on this icon and your CapCut AI is transcribing for you. So as you can see, my video is just 28 seconds. So whatever I have speak in this video, it will give you all the transcript here. So it shows like when I'm speaking, there is a pause of 2.9 second, here 0.5 second and 0.9 second. So let's say if I want to delete this pause and just click on this, it will highlight and you can click the delete button. And now you can see like there is a repetition of words. You want to add your video. So let's say if I want to delete this, you want to add your, just click and highlight this word, you want to add your, click on the delete icon. So when I will play the player video, it is automatically deleted. So no more you have to play your video again and again and manually trim the video. Isn't it cool? So let's just play and see whether if it's deleted or no. You want to add your video with your face over that screen recording. So let's dive in and see how you can do that. So if you notice just now I deleted the pause that was showing like 2.9 second, and now when I'm playing the video there is no more pause. So I'm constantly speaking, right? And one more thing, if I mouse over here, remove filler words, and so it will delete all the you're taking spaces or the repetition of words. So let's say if I click on this, so it just found in the starting of the video there was a pause 3.7 second, so it deleted automatically, right? This thing is provided by pro version, but whether you are deleting the word or there were like spaces or where is the repetition of words, that is given free in CapCut AI, right? So now that the filler word is removed, my script is clean and clear. You see this edit button, just click on this and now this whole script is highlighted. You can change the script also, right? Isn't it amazing? So there's a word like, so let's dive in. Instead of let's dive in, you can see the cursor here. I want to just delete and I want to write let's get started. What you can do, just delete the keywords or the line and just write it here. Click on the done button and now you can record your voice when you are adding this particular words in your video. The words that I changed gets underlined. Let's get started. So let's click on here and you can see the record button and click on the record, and now you can just speak this word let's get started, and when I will be turning on the player again, it will get added in the video itself. So I'm just starting the recording and let's just record these words to add in the video. Let's get started. Stop the recording, and there was a pause as I didn't speak instantly. Earlier shown, just click the player button on the video and see if this is added with your face over that screen recording. So let's get started and see how you can do. So guys, when we did recording, it automatically added in the script and in the video itself. And you can see on the timeline also, the voiceover is being added here. Isn't it cool? So just let's try this feature out, and no more manually video editing and clicking on the player again and again just to make sure you have trimmed the video in a correct way. If you found this video helpful and you want to grow quicker, consider subscribing my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.